This is a story of the day I spent 4 hours in some of the worst fishing conditions I've ever experienced, and why I did it.
Whew.
After making it through a whole foot of ice, I got my lines in and began my battle with the 50-mile-an-hour gusts that were present on this day.
Oh my gosh. All right, tip up number 2. Oh my gosh, that's problematic. The whole shell flew off. All right, what the heck? I'm literally almost getting blown away. I weigh 155 pounds and I almost left my feet due to the wind. That's insanity. Look at these tip-up holes. You can't tell there's a hole under here. If I get one today, I will count that as a huge win. Oh my gosh. Woo! Oh, that went in my eyes. Ow. Oh my gosh, there's so much stuff down there. Just bite it. Just bite it. One of them has to bite it. I'm not sure if you guys can tell, but it is now snowing. So I didn't think the conditions could get much worse, but they did.
This day was not pleasant, but knowing that I have the skill and determination to make the most out of a bad day of fishing is why what happened next was so rewarding.
Fish! Fish! It feels big. Oh my gosh, it's a pickerel. He came off right at the hole. Oh my goodness. Yes! That, yes! We caught a fish in some of the worst conditions I've ever fished in. Oh my goodness, let him go. Yes!